Formed a new best friend. But I'm trying to get the makeup. You can't even see it. You really, you were literally in the corner. Hey guys, it's Maddie, and today I'm going to be doing a video with my sister as requested from you guys. All you guys want a video with this ugly person right next to me. This is Mackenzie. If you guys didn't know, that's my sister. If you guys didn't know, that's my sister. I have a video with her already. It's the ugliest video ever. The Sister Water Challenge. I didn't know what to title it. It kind of isn't, not my best work. Not my best work. But today I'm going to be doing her makeup because I'm forcing her to film me. I'm just gonna whip something up, a little look, an eye look, and I'm gonna do her face makeup and everything. So yeah. And you guys probably won't be able to see me at this video because, yeah, okay. I'm gonna start off by doing your eyebrows. So first, we should prime. Spray this on your face.
Can you?
Okay. Don't have your mouth open, first of all. It tastes bad.
It smells like the mall.
How?
Legit. It smells like, what is this?
Primer. Okay. Now I'm gonna do your eyebrows. I'm using my dip brow. You guys probably won't even be able to see, but I'm doing it anyways with this.
Shut up.
This might not be your color.
Wow.
Does that look too, like, not right?
I don't know.
It's fine.
I don't know makeup. I only know sports and school.
Definitely. Should I do a Fortnite inspired makeup tutorial? Comment below.
Do it. Do it. Do it orange and white astronauts.
I love how it's definitely focusing too.
It's so bright. What are you laughing at?
You're gonna have those Rachel Cantu thick eyebrows.
Racks.
That was an ugly
Give me my hair.
weirdo.
Give me my eyeball fall out.
We're gonna conceal it. Don't worry.
Conceal what?
Conceal, don't feel.
Don't let them know. Is that concealer?
Yeah.
Wow, I'm smart.
Don't take it personal. Don't take it personal.
I'm gonna take
Stop! Don't move.
Oh. I have no deal with her. I have no problem with her. There. That made more sense.
I have no deal. I have no deal with her.
Shut up.
Every time she moves on, she says,
Don't take it personal. Stop messing with my monkey ear.
why is it so bendy?
I don't.
It's like a bendy straw.
Oh no, but meow. Why'd you breathe so bad? Stop patting my head, Paddington.
Paddington? Whoa, bro. You look different.
I don't like it.
Why?
I don't look like me.
Yeah. Again.
Shut up. We can fight on camera.
Live action.
You're gonna break your mirror. Me. Why are you pushing my head down?
I'm trying to see.
You're like this. You're like this.
I'm trying to see in the mirror.
I think I can see the incredible sign when I close my eyes.
Find some time to do something.
Chocolate can't see.
Find some time.
It's boring.
Hi.
I don't know. My eyebrows are weird. I don't control them.
I don't control them. They control me.
I was about to say that. I was thinking that in my mind. Wow, you're a mind reader.
Thanks. You want green?
Do a snaps look. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Are you doing my makeup? Can I take a nap?
No. You have a very small eyelid.
Would you not complain about my eyelid and just do the makeup? Thank you very much, sir, ma'am.
Sir?
Sir, ma'am.
Sir, ma'am.
That's like some turquoise. Is that how you pronounce it? Turquoise? Yeah.
Whoa. Don't open up your eye, please. I'm doing a half cut crease. Well, no, a half cut crease. What am I saying? Full cut crease. Everybody cut, everybody cut.
Loose, cut loose. Kick off your Sunday shoes. I don't know how the words. Favorite part's this.
Obey in every rule. Dig way down in your heart.
Beaumont. Where the is Beaumont?
Is it Beaumont?
Beaumont.
Beaumont.
Beaumont. You kept saying Beaumont.
Don't open. No, I didn't. Don't open.
Might as well sleep. You're pushing my head again.
Sorry. Sorry. Don't. Lauren's got a new best friend. Fordham got a new best friend. Fordham got a new best friend.
This video's good. I thought that was it. Fish.
Baby, you're the highlight of my low life. Love this.
Of what? Me? I know you did. Maybe she thought something good. Monday.
This chair's so broken, dude.
My gaming chair.
It's gonna be so short.
Could have been playing Fortnite on this thing.
So, I'm really sorry about it now, guys.
I feel like a Roblox character.
I always feel like a Roblox character.
What?
I always feel like a Roblox character. Okay, now, I love how short you are. I really am sorry. This is my biggest malfunction. We're filming the rest of this video standing up.
I feel so much taller than you right now.
We've only been here 2 days in already. Chicago seems... There's not that many places we can stand. Can you put up that chair actually? Because we're on it now. Just fold it. Won't start a new life here. That was so fun. Foundation. It just wasn't working out today.
Why do I look like...
Why do I look like an Oompa Loompa?
I was gonna say that. Oompa Loompas are purple.
Definitely. They're
Aren't they?
definitely orange.
They are?
Yes. Maybe things
Looks
won't be
so
so bad.
Weird. Different.
Did you say weird and different?
Yeah.
Don't use those words.
Why? Right,
They're really ugly. Why are you wearing this?
My knee tore my shirt!
Just boo.
No one you know. That's hate me.
No one you need to know of.
I feel like I'm 5'8" right now.
Why are you so tall?
I don't know, but I'm kind of digging the tall thing.
Okay, now we're gonna conceal. I'm gonna use a lighter. I'm gonna add this in because your face is a little bit like pink.
Why does it smell like bananas?
It does not smell like bananas. It smells like chemical.
Never mind.
It smells like paint. The right thing. The right thing. We strive to
I better be
do
normal
what's
by
right.
tomorrow at 11 a.m. Harmony!
We will be released on a Sunday.
Ah! It's like you're cracking an egg on my head. And I don't know what
you do. Cause I'm no good to you. You just keep on taking me back. What's going on in there?
Dude! Smells like Sarah's chocolate, yeah.
Buy my chocolate for $2. You look like a ghost.
I know I do.
It's weird.
Abby's so beautiful. Stop. I can't control my hiccups. Tell me to stop. Now this is highlight. I'm about to be poppin'. Or? Or? Highlight. Be poppin'. Ew. How do I get this stuff off my face?
Little makeup wipe.
I look like a person from Star Wars now.
You don't clamp your eyeball. You just clamp your eyelash.
I don't know how to do that.
Now you have to put on a lip balm.
Why?
Because you're gonna put something on your lips.
Why?
Because you need to.
Why? Tastes good. My heart hurts. I'm not even joking. Can't breathe right.
I know. Done. Literally, I'm almost done. I just need your butthole lip.
What? My butthole?
Ooh. Okay. That was it, guys. You're not even looking. This is her final look. Show them up close. Close your eyes. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Comment down below if you want more videos with Mackenzie, because but yeah, follow all my social medias at Maddie. I have Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat. Follow her social medias.
The Instagram one is It's Ken's with 2 Z's, and the It's is with a Z. And then my Twitter is the same thing, and then Snapchat's MacYoung9. But yeah, Musically is not available at the moment.
Musically canceled. But yeah, I love you all, and I'll see you next time.
Can I do it?
Yeah.